Yes.
We're in open session, Your Honour.
Open session. And at line 25, it reads car rather than cap.
Perhaps while we're at the transcript, page 101, line 22, I believe it is, the missing word seems to be riddles.
Councillor, please proceed.
Right. But back to this serious matter as it is. And we were talking about hats, and you found it of some significance that Mr. Ruto had a hat. I'm not going to go into that. Mr. Raila Odinga and Mr. Mudavadi wore hats too, didn't they? And Mr. Balala, they all wear hats, don't they?
Correct.
All right. Let's get down to the words. You told us yesterday and again today that when he spoke he referred to Kikuyu being put in these pickups. And I asked you, did he use the word Kikuyu? And you said no. So let me ask you this. If he didn't use the word Kikuyu, what word did he use?
I remember, I think he talked in Kalenjin and used the word grabbers. I can remember.
So
Because he spoke few words in Kalenjin.
So did he say, we'll put the grabbers in a pickup? Is that what you're saying he said?
I can remember something of that.
Well, which is it? Is it Kikuyu in the pickup? Or is it grabbers?
Remember it was grabbers.
Can you remember telling the prosecutor this in November, not so long ago, paragraph 26? When Ruto spoke, he talked about the ODM manifesto and what the ODM would do if they won. He also said that those people who were not satisfied with the ODM leadership should be put in a pickup and taken back to Central Province. Do you remember saying that?
Yeah.
Nothing about grabbers, nothing here about Kikuyu, but people who were not satisfied with the ODM leadership.
That is why I'm telling you, Kikuyu, grabbers, and it spoke in riddles, and he could say any word regarding Kikuyu community.
Well, what we're concerned with, sir, are the words you heard that so shocked you that you left the rally. What did he say? What were the words that he said?
I understood what he said, that Kikuyu community were to be put on a pickup and taken back to Central. That is how I understood it.
But he didn't say anything about Kikuyu. He didn't use that word. Is that correct?
Yes, he didn't use the word Kikuyu.
And he didn't use the word grabbers. Is that right?
Yes, he spoke about grabbers on that day.
There'd been a lot of grabbers under the Kibaki presidency, hadn't there? A lot of people filling their pockets.
Correct?
And a lot of grabbers under the Moi presidency, filling their pockets. not with millions or tens or hundreds, but with billions of stolen dollars. That's right, isn't it?
Correct.
And Kibaki had promised an end to all that, but it didn't end, did it? It carried on under Kibaki's presidency. Theft of public monies.
Correct.
And so there were grabbers in Kenya, weren't there?
Correct.
Which word did he use? What was the word he used, Mr. Ruto, that you can remember? And if you can't remember, say so.
He used the word I think grabbers, because, and he spoke in, there is three words he spoke in college.
Did you understand?
These words, I believe, because after he mentioned those words, now everybody started shouting, Kikuyu back to Central, Kikuyu back to Central. And there was a lot of noise that even you could not hear exactly what he said thereafter.
So he didn't say Kikuyu. He used the word grabbers at some point. Was that in English?
What?
Or did he use the word grabbers in English, or was it
Yes.
Swahili?
He was speaking in Kiswahili.
And what is the word for grabbers that he used in Kiswahili?
Wanyakuzi.
And what did he say in the Kalenjin language?
I can't remember.
Can we have a